Hello to another amazing Google Ads case study. And for those who don't know, because we have been working in this field from around 17 years and we got a versatile experience. And depending upon the client requirement, we suggest a different solution for every client depending upon their market needs, the competitors, their offer, the product, and we may come up with a offer something like a good performance max campaign, a good search campaign, a good retargeting, remarketing campaign, a good YouTube ad, or whatever the scenario is. So here the scenario is that we were able to multiply the cost per conversion, like if I do an amount, it's more than 300 to 400%, but I will show you the accurate figures with you before, after, and what we did. So let's get started on this amazing Google Ads case study. So this is the client website. So you may see over here, you may see they provide BTC mining machine. So you may see over here, this is their page with the ASIC sorry, miners. This is a landing page, the services you may provide. They see if you look around their pricing, they provide you with a pro, premium, 10 key data center setup over here. So for any of the thing, you have to get in touch with their team, and this is and these are the additional miners they sell. You may see with the different pricing right now. So the best is that usually the customers gets converted on the WhatsApp, so which is why even the phone numbers and everything encourages to go to the WhatsApp, and even the same goes for the WhatsApp as well. They have a WhatsApp icon as well on their website. So now I'm going to show you some of their stats before, after, and then what we did. So let's get started with the first factors, and so you may see over here I will show you the first factor. So everything, so I'm going to refresh, so you see is like everything stays real and original. So you may see you can see this is their ID as well. I'm going to hide it because right now their company is spending for advertiser verification, which we also provide as a separate service. I'm also going to make myself smaller so you can see over here. So this is their start. At the start moment, they were getting CPC of 56.17 and they got 1.52k clicks with the cost of 85,000. This was their at the start, their statistics. Now I'm going to show you the project briefing. So when the project came to us, so you may see over here, their website is bithash.ae. They were targeting the UAE market primarily, and then EU, Europe, USC, and UK markets as well. So they considered their competitors to be segments.ae, AE, Nakamoto, Phoenix Group, UAE, Pixie.io. So whenever when we get a competitors, it's very good that we have to search them around, and we use PyFu and other tools as well. We also have developed our own custom GPTs which we can help. Let me log into the account and get back to you. So yeah, I'm now logged into the account over here. So we had to see if they were running any ads. Not over here. If we see that we get data for UK, we can try for them as well, and for other ones as well. So this is how what we did was we compiled a list. I will show you the list instead, but I'm just showing you the how we were able to get it. You can see that they got paid keywords as well. So we got some keywords running for them, and you can view, find from, and we will view them for this one as well. And over here, very less data over here. So what we did was my team did a complete overview research, and we also, you may see, like we found the ad over here for this like brand new S19 in stock in UAE, Bitcoin mining. So this is the competitor website. So what we did was we sorted out all of the competitors, and apart from this we studied this said that they have spent more than $500 and they didn't get any quality lead, just the leads were close to 2, and the USPs were green, renewable energy, cloud hash rate, full access control on dashboard, global supply, cheap electricity, 95% uptime guaranteed. So yeah, this were the insights which we got. Now I'm going to show you the data. So let's get started with some data to show you. Okay, so after the project briefing, there were 2 audits which were communicated with the client, And apart from this, there was ample of numerous discussion being done with the clients on WhatsApp group with the team as well. So you may see over here the company name is over there. The team suggested that upon reviewing the website, they identified two business offerings, and the they said that there are no clear C2A call to action like directing users to buy now, get hosting, sign up, or something like this. Instead, they were all focusing on WhatsApp, but WhatsApp is fine as long as you have the conversion tracking being enabled, which was not enabled over here. So we suggested them that this is a thing they needed to be sorted, and they are even sorting out right now this. And apart from this, we suggested no email number, phone number, address was being mentioned on the home page or service pages. Yeah, this reduces the authenticity, because you got 2 leads and we wanted to increase the number of leads, so we have to build the customer trust. So for the customer trust, our landing page experience is very important, so we suggested that. Apart from this, we also suggested the anti-fraud click support, which we even provide for our clients as well. And then some broken links, missing legal policy pages were not over there, social media icons were not working. I assume that they have updated right now, because I discussed with them as well, because many changes are still right now pending, and the future is going to be very strong as well. So see, they have uploaded the correct links over there, so which can sort out the issue as well. So you see that even these small things matters. Clients usually do not focus on these small things like this social media icons is not working fine or not, the email newsletter is working fine or not, but in reality these plays an essential role in improving your sales and conversion. So guys, please try to understand that this plays a crucial role in optimizing and generating more sales and more money. So apart from this, these are the campaigns, and in the campaign settings you may see over here that targeting locations were over there, but because we do not have enabled the conversion tracking, then what's the purpose of targeting? You are actually wasting your money. So we strongly suggested them to enable conversion tracking, have a set of conversion set formula, so that we can track what's working well for you, what kind of a keywords, location, targeting working well for the business. This is a more important thing. And then the location option, presence and interest, I strongly discourage this, and I suggested them to have a presence. I will show you on the data as well. Some issues were also being discussed, and ad scheduling was not optimized, wasted budget is going to hours that don't perform well. Try to understand this as well. So we enabled, after enabling the cost per conversion, we suggested them to focus on data as well. So you may see over here that the display path is empty, that need an optimization. Low priority pages were being shown in the site link. So if your ad site link assets needed to be optimized, what kind of a site links you are showing? Blog does not make a sense. Other service page or about do make a sense. About us page only make a sense if you have a strong about us page with explaining your history and faces of the CEO and the CEO notes. Then the about us page is working fine. Otherwise, there is no point of adding that in your ad assets, because that plays a role. Also, we suggested adding different ad assets and extensions like promotional coupons, call out, structure snippet. I know you may be confused on what is ad asset, so I'm going to show you, and I've been speaking this a lot because ad assets plays a crucial role. So apart from campaign optimization and tracking, this is another thing as well which helps you. So you may see over here that now this is a simple ad, but when we add side link assets, they were previously known as extension, but now assets. So you see over here, these are the assets which are being shown along with the ad. So we suggested them to change from about us or contact us page, blog page, to more service pages. Apart from this, we suggested adding price extension, structured snippet. So you can choose over here, but I'm going to remove, and you may see that the location extension, promo, pricing section, sees how much they make your ad to be very tempting, increase the authenticity. And with the offered promos over here, it brings the urge for the customers to take an action and grab the deal, especially if your prices are competitive than your customers. So over here you need to see that as well. So some things were suggested. Plus we suggested adding a tracking template, so we can track through Google Analytics. There were some keyword issues as well, because they were targeting too many broad match, and now because broad match is not an ideal form of targeting, and this brings highly irrelevant clicks. Because let's say if you are for instance, over here you may see cryptocurrency mining. Now if you are adding that as a broad match, every word being searched with crypto and every word searching with mining, your ad will be shown, and this way you will get quite irrelevant traffic, which is why phrase match or exact match are a key, with a strong look on negative keywords, and there were keywords overlapping between each other. This also reduces your quality score. We suggested 2 things as well. Plus we suggested single keyword ad group for all keywords, with every keyword had a different landing page or a different ad to be the minimum, ideal to be landing page for different. But the client said that for us it's not possible to get a specific landing page for each product because our business is new. We totally understand, but we postponed it to future. But we suggested to have a single keyword ad group for each keyword and each ad, so it remains more customized, more personalized for the user. And we also discussed regarding auction insights, where we said that competitors were beating out most of the time and we were not ranking it out. So we suggested some optimization techniques, including bidding optimization, some quality score optimization, and some search conversion. At search term reports, we saw some conversions which were costing a lot. We suggested them to reduce as well. And now this is not the only audit, there is another audit as well, and this is more particularly to landing page audit, where we discuss regarding landing page terms, the selection of words, because good selection of words can do the optimization, can bring the customers, have an impact on the customer's mind, and this can eventually generate more sales. We suggested adding call to actions. We suggested different CTAs as told before, optimization of social media profiles, some more things inside like ad scheduling, bid adjustment for devices, gender targeting, for every niche also this is matter, plus some tracking optimization, anti-fraud click setup, some landing page optimization, some broker links, some competitors analysis, how they were targeting. So a lot, I'm not able to show you the complete information because a lot was personally discussed in the client, in our the client groups where this was all discussed. Okay, now I'm going to show you. So this was for 1 to 15. You may see the average CPC over here, and then I'm going to tell you the conversions later on. So if we move over here and if you look around on the data, so you may see that from the 56 CPC we went down to 7.6 CPC. That is 2 to 300 to 400% reduction in the CPC. This was a great achievement, which after following our strategies. Now I will move on to the campaign side to show you the campaigns data. So if we select the data from 1 to 15 from over here, you may see that we got 11 conversions, 152 clicks over here, with the cost per conversion over here, with average CPC 56 and the cost per conversion 7,7612. So you may see over here. Now I'm going to refresh this. So because it says that all remains original and we are not copying anything or something, so you guys have a clear cut idea on how our strategies were able to reduce the client. So you may see over here that we also suggested some campaigns to were being in a testing phase, and we suggested to post them as well after seeing around what's working well for us, and the campaigns they were previously working, and now we have posted them. So you may see over here that we got 11 conversions. Our cost per conversion was 761 in the PKR currency. Also they advertising in UAE market, but the client had a PKR account. So now if we look around on the 16 to 31, so you may see over here that our average CPC reduced from 56 to 7.8, and our cost per conversion is now at 44. So previously if it was at 7,761, where we got 11 conversions, and in 16 to 31 we got 2,490 conversions, plus cost per conversion went down to 44. So it's like hundreds of time cost per conversion down. So the main key factors in reducing the cost per conversion are optimizing the campaigns. Still we are working around and optimizing a lot of stuff, and we help the client as well, plus looking around on your ad asset settings, campaign strategies, plus setting up the conversion tracking, and helping clients look by following the comparative strategy. Still a lot of work is still needed to be done on the website as well, but I'm going to show you the feedback which the client gave to us, and so that we can close it up. So this is we got on our Google Map the review. So Ahrefs gave me a detailed Google Ads audit, but the landing page audit truly stood out, and like the practical tips I could apply right now. I'm going to refresh so you see over here. Now this is an amazing review for our agency which we got from our client. So yeah, this is a happy thing. And as far as the remarketing campaign is suggested, we got good results in. You may see over here that the cost per conversion went down to 34.95 for retargeting remarketing campaign, which is very good. But right now we have paused it because we wanted to do some checkouts on, like we want to test it around on if we are like to see how many people are converting on add to checkout, but they are not doing the checkout. So some things are needed to be done for proper optimization. So right now the website development is in progress after our landing page suggestions, but right now we were able to achieve very good results with specifically a CPC and a cost per conversion optimization. So you see over here, in case if you need our Google Ads services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we will look forward to working with you. I hope you like the case study, and I hope you like the results. Again, this is a team effort. So as a Google partner company, we have a team along with me who work along to make it a successful project. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.